Here I've got Realme X50 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. First of all, you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and open accounts and users and accounts and exact. And then click on add account, select Google, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi because otherwise you will not be able to use your Google account here. And now enter email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. And click on next. Now it is time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And click on next then. And here just read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, tap on I agree. And tap on accept to confirm your selection of Google services. And as you can see from now on, your Google account is connected with Realme X50 Pro 5G. Then whenever you would like to remove this account, click on it, tap on more and select remove account. Confirm that you would like to delete this account with all its data by tapping on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, it is no longer here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.